Hey, Austin Mayfield here. I hope you're doing great today. Did a video 2 days ago now, I guess it was, about the word communication and the importance of it in business, whether you are in business for yourself or you're working a job, a 9 to 5 type job, and how I tied the importance of the word communication to business. Um, is with a short saying, without sales, there is no revenue. And you simply have to be able to communicate well in order to make sales. It may be nonverbal communication, such as a Facebook ad or a Google ad, a simple text ad, or down to copywriting, just simple ad structure and that sort of thing. And that those ads and that sort of thing may not apply to you if you're working a 9 to 5 job. You might be a server somewhere, you might be a cashier, or you might have a desk job, a processing type job, where you're in front of the computer all day. But what you have to remember is your role, even though it might not be your business, your role and your communication skills are what define the company. All of that company's employees or workers as a conglomerate, as a whole put together, defines the company. So if a business or a company has a bunch of employees that communicate well with the customers or the clients or each other, um, that business is going to be wildly successful if everybody's communication skills are on point. If they're not, it can take one little weak link, especially to take down a small business. Um, and it's so vital to any business or your job, anybody's job, to hone your communication skills. I hope this finds you well today. I've got free opportunities in the description below. Let me know of any questions. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you agree in the comments with the communication skills belief, okay? Austin Mayfield, thanks.